Hi guys, I'm Megha and welcome to Perky Makes. And I know I have been missing from this channel from quite some time. And for those who follow me on Instagram or my Hindi channel Perky Makes Hindi, you all know that I delivered a baby on 15th March, a baby girl. And since then life has been really busy. I'm sure you all would understand who are parents. So it was very difficult for me to manage home. Thanks to Corona, we have to manage home by ourselves, no house help, and then a new baby, and then both the channels. It was very difficult for me to create content for both the channels. So I decided that I can't do it all at this point of time, so I just took a break on this channel for 2-3 months, and then now I feel comfortable that yes, I am ready to be back, although I am hell busy right now also. But I think now I know how to make a balance and how to get time out of my schedule, because as a new mom it's very difficult to understand what just happened to you and how to handle the situation. But I think after Nabu is like 3.5 months old, my baby's name is Navanya. I call it Navu with love. So I now understand that how I can take out time. So I think I'm now ready to be back on this channel. So I thought let's give you an update where I was, and now that I'm back I will be making some more content for you guys. And let me know if you already know I had a baby girl, or maybe some of you didn't know at all. So that's the update from my side. And as a new parents, I would say that life has been really beautiful for us. We just welcomed a lovely angel baby girl. It's like Lakshmi aayi hamare ghar mein, and we are like really excited. But also it comes with a lot of challenges of a new baby, and this time is really difficult because of Corona, and a lot of things we can't do, like we can't have house help, we can't have cook, we can't have someone to clean the house. So everything has to be done by ourselves, and that's why it's a very difficult time for me, because professionally and personally making a balance is really difficult. I am trying out my best, and I have been putting out content on my Hindi channel as well as some content on Instagram, but I was not active here at all. And also, I'll be very honest with you, I was actually confused because I have been making fashion, lifestyle, beauty content from quite some time on this channel, and then I switched to my Hindi channel. I made similar content on both the channels, but now I feel it's not right to maintain two channels for the same content. So I'm thinking now to create a diversified content, a different content on this channel. And I'm just figuring out, I want to do a lot of stuff but I never get time for, like, I want to do comedy videos, I want to do music videos, but you never get to see because I never get time. I also wanted to make like travel videos a lot, but travel right now is totally out of question. So life is really up down. I'm sure it happened with everyone because of this Corona, and a lot of travel plans got cancelled. So let me know what's your update and how are you handling this pandemic. And it's difficult, I know, but we have to take precautions. Like, we are taking precautions for every package that comes. We are not going out to buy groceries anymore. We are just buying it online. We keep it aside for 3-4 hours, and then we use it. Some packages that can be kept for more than 2 days, we keep it for about 2 days and then we open it. So these kind of precautions we are taking. And then we are taking a lot of kadas, like with the herbs in them, so that we can boost our immunity. I'm sure everyone is doing that, so I'm doing the same for my family and for me and for my baby, because when baby comes you become extra cautious for all the things in life. So I'm figuring out a lot of things. So let me know, please give your suggestions, what can I do for this channel, what kind of videos other than the fashion beauty videos you want to see on this channel. I'm sure you have a lot of great ideas. I am right now short of ideas because my mind is completely occupied with a lot of things. So you, as a YouTube family, my virtual family, I request, let me know in the comment section below if you have any wonderful ideas for me to make on this channel. I will surely make it, and I will continue the series Happiness with Megha because that is something really close to my heart, and I love to spread positivity among you, among everyone. So I'll be doing that for sure. But apart from that, what else can we do? Please suggest me, and I will surely make videos on that. So on this note, this was a quick update from my side, and I will be back with some new videos for you guys on this channel. I'm really sorry I just went without any announcement, but it just happened, and I just could not take a lot of pressure because, you know, I like to be happy first and then do the rest of the things. So taking a break on this channel, made my work pressure a little less, and I completed my pregnancy, my delivery, and then my first few months with baby, and then now I think I'm back and I'm ready to make new videos on this channel. So on this note, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you can get a lot of my updates on Instagram. I posted a lot of stories there, so you can follow me there. My Instagram handle is Perky Makes. Meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.